G'day everyone. I think I mentioned a video or so ago, had a secret project. Well, I took some video of it, but it didn't actually work too well because I've had problems with this GoPro. It's on the way out, I think, and I can't really afford a new one at the moment. Anyway, so the secret project was I'd got onto another dart, but this was only the body. So they're not very easy to come by, these old bodies, so I'll just show you. So there it is. So it's still got some great things on, like the windscreen are very hard to come by. You've got the badge, which are extraordinarily hard to find. So this is a dart body that I found in a property, and it had been out in the paddock for about 15 years, as you can tell. But, you know, being fiberglass, yeah, it's not going to go rusty. They have done something a little bit interesting on the back here though. They sort of flared it up like that to accommodate not the original lights, but all that can be rectified. So I decided to rescue it and pass it on to somebody who might want to use it in a project, because I've got the red dart and I don't really need another one. So yeah, so here we go. So this is the dart body. So if you want it, or know anybody else who does, contact me and we'll talk dollars. But it's worth a few because they're just so hard to find. Yeah, I'll clean up a bit anyway, like get the dirt out of it and bits of grass. But there you go, that's the dart.